teacher, Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher. It's Yuri teacher time again. And time flies and Yuri teacher is getting old and I don't want to get old and I don't want to stop the time. But I can't. Anyways, guys, we learned all the Save the Cake story this past week, right? And Yvonne, where are you? I miss you. Where are you? You say you go to Jeju Island, but I asked your mommy and you are in Jeju Island. You lied. Or you didn't know. Okay, so guys, Ethan, are you ready to read with Yuri teacher, Ryan K, Ryan I, and Aurora, Elsa, Joyce, and Lily? Are you guys ready? Yes? Let's read the story together. Right? We're going to read this story and you're going to repeat after Yuri teacher really, really loud, okay? I want to hear your voice. Ready? Okay, so let's read the story together. Save the cake. Save the cake? What happened to the cake? I don't know. Let's read it together. Okay, so over here, Jane bakes a big cake. Are you following right now? You're like, oh, mommy, I don't want to watch this video clip. Is that what you said, Ryan? Okay, so let's read. Read this, and this is from the top. Jane bakes a big cake. The cake is for D8, okay? No duh, because over here is A. A-E-I-O-U over here. Before the duh, when you start with A-E-I-O-U words, you're gonna pronounce this D. No duh, okay? D-ape, for D-ape. Jane goes to the cave. The cave, because this starts with no A-E-I-O-U. This is C. So you pronounce this the cave. 10 ants race for the cake. 10 ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it's really 10. 10 ants race for the cake. Over here, I want to eat the cake. I want to eat the cake. 10 ants. Jane sees the ants. Jane sees the ants. Your teacher doesn't like ants. I don't like all the insects. She drops the cake into the lake. Birthday cake for Ape. Let's see what's gonna happen next. The cake is in the lake. Oh my goodness. Because of the ant. The ape races to the lake. Save the cake, Ape! That's your cake. Save the cake! This is Ape. My cake! It's like Goliath. Over here, cake is in the lake. Save the cake, Ape! The ape saves the cake, really, with his lace, with his shoelace. Right here, shoelace. He took it off and he saves it with it. The ape saves the cake with his lace. With his lace. With. Right? Okay, Jane sees the ape save the cake. Jane sees. Oh, good job, Ape. Jane maybe loves Ape. Jane sees the ape save the cake. Happy birthday, Ape. Happy birthday, Ape. And then Ape said, thanks, Jane. Thank you for the cake. Ooh, this is chocolate cake. You know what happened to the ant? Go away. I don't like ants. Oh, the ant. Okay, Okay, we read the story last week and this whole week, so you should guys read this story by yourself now, okay? Practice at home, practice reading at home, and write it down all the answers on your paper, and I'll see you guys on Monday, okay? It's gonna rain this whole weekend, so be careful, okay? All right, bye-bye. See ya. Oh, I forgot. Today, who's gonna come out? Elsa's gonna come out and give us a writing question homework, okay? Elsa, where are you? Elsa, come out. Elsa! Bye-bye. Okay, so hello, Elsa teacher. Say hello, everybody. So you're gonna give all the friends the word questions, okay? All right, so number one, everybody, listen to Elsa teacher. Number one, bake. 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 Number one, bake. And number two, ice. Rice. Very good. Speak a little bit louder, Elsa, so everybody can hear it, okay? Rice. Number two, rice. Number three, hive. This way. Hive. Very good. Number four, ape. Tape. Oh, it's this way. Ape. Tape. Number four. Number five, lace. Very good. One more time. Lace. Okay. Yes, that's better. And number, what is it? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6, ape. What is it? Ape. Very good. And what is this? Race. Number, what is it? Number 7, right? Number 7, race. Very good. What is this, Elsa? Bike. Very good. Bike. Very good, Elsa. Thank you for joining. And I'll see you on what day? Monday. Yes. Do your homework. Finish your homework, and I'll see you guys. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
I'm back again. You're back again. Ethan teacher is back again because Ethan teacher is gonna read the storybook for us. Save the cake. Are you ready? I know you can't read it. Save the cake. Here you go. See? Right here. Hold it. Hold it up. Yes. Ready? Set, go. Jane.
Jane made a big cake. The cake is for the egg.
Very good. And then the next page. Jane
used to the cake. 10 eggs raised for the cake. Jane is the ant.
She's the ant. She drops
the cake into the lake.
Oh, very good. And then the next page. Ethan teacher can read.
The cake is in the lake.
Louder.
The egg raised to the lake. Save the cake, egg.
Very good.
The egg saves the cake with his race. Jane sees the egg save the cake.
Oh, very good.
Happy birthday, egg. Thanks, Jane.
Thank you, Ethan teacher. See, save the cake by Ethan teacher. Thank you very much for joining me, and you're going to be on the Your Teacher's video clip again. Okay, so everybody say bye-bye. Bye. I'll see you on Monday.
On Monday.
See you on Monday.
See you on Monday.
Bye-bye.